contrary to our prior belief, we have a Geekfuel in. Yay!
Yep. The last one was not the last one.
And that is because I could not change it. And it would not let me change my credentials because it would not send me the email. So you guys get more Geekfuel and more Japan Crate.
And what's this? We have the same clothes on as last video? I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Okay. I need to move that like that. Okay. And then a typical, spoilers!
Oh, hey, cool. It's a sticker.
First thing that popped out.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that on something. Huh. Figured you would have went for one of the other two. One.
Alright. Next thing we have is a
Golden
Indiana Jones, or...
A golden fertility idol?
Yeah, almost.
Oh, done.
I don't know. I
If
thought
we
it said
get the
Indiana
golden
Jones for a second.
skull, yeah,
don't know
I
why.
think this is an Indiana Jones.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it is too. But I could have swore it actually said it on there.
It came in a shit ton of styrofoam, and it actually comes in a bag. But I feel like this is, we need a sandbag so we can swap it out. Yeah, this is definitely Indiana Jones. Ah, that is awesome.
You know,
A
honestly,
fertility idol. It's a candle.
that is sweet.
Awesome. All right, I'm liking, and I got a bag. I like these bags. I like to collect. I put coins in them. This, however, bad for the environment. Bad people. All right. Well, I guess I'll go for the obvious one. Game of Thrones. Looks to be another dragon thingy. Well, it's the final season coming out next month. Consider that my birthday. Oh. Oh. Oh, that is awesome. More plastic, that's terrible for the environment. Sorry, I'm sounding like a hip. Yeah, fuck it. These things aren't staying in their boxes. These things are being put around the house. All right.
Oh, no. Put that one back in the box. Come on.
God damn it. I'm married to a collector. I just want these things to be out and about. I hate keeping these things in boxes.
Alright. Now for the next thing. What was this?
Power clip. Yeah. You won't stay in your box forever. No, you're definitely not staying in the box. Gotta put you under a UV light. It's glow in the dark, motherfucker.
Well, yeah. It's the power clip.
So is this like for chips or for like a magnet to hold shit up on or what? Oh, yep, it's a chip clip. Oh, yeah. We got a chip clip. Which is actually good. We needed one of those. Let's go with the painting.
I like collecting these.
Yeah, we got...
That is one upside to still having these. Gotta fix the spacing on that, but...
Yeah, now that we got more. The first issue of the X-Men. I have one fan that will really like this. One of my friends that subscribed. Big fan of the X-Men.
Alright, I guess I'll go with the one that we've been... I guess I'll go with the one that
You
we've
unwrap
been...
that.
waiting to open.
Archer. Spy Archer. This is awesome.
Okay, here it is.
One puppet point. The fuck's a puppet point? Oh. The puppet. I get it now. Need more weed for that. Oh, it's a shirt.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we've been all waiting for. Alright, let's see what this bad boy looks like.
Do you know who they are?
Get the weed all over the shirt.
Yep. Do you know who they all are? There's 3 spider people on here. I'm going to see if she can I'm testing her knowledge of Spider-Man.
I don't like Spider-Man, so
you're
just tell me.
The main one with the black suit, that's Miles Morales. That's,
okay, so it's the different Spider-Mans?
Yes. Raise it back up, please. For all of you that actually know this information, please bear with me. Black one. Miles Morales. He is the ultimate Spider-Man from the Ultimate Universe. The one at the bottom right here, that's Peter Parker. That's the Spider-Man all of you know. And that's Spider-Gwen. You can put it down now. Spider-Gwen is an alternate reality Spider-Woman where Gwen Stacy got the powers of Spider-Man and Peter Parker got the powers of the Lizard. And we got another game to go with it. Splashers. Never seen that.
And then lastly,
What? Huh?
it seems that we actually have a comic in this one.
Holy shit, really? Oh shit, I really hope they're actually, I don't want you to actually spoil the comic book. I actually enjoy reading those. See who the inside of this is.
Pretty sure that's Indiana.
Yeah, that's Indiana Jones. With his hat.
And it has the little
the
thing for the idol.
Yeah. That's awesome, though. I am going to like this.
Pressure plate. That's what they call it.
the pressure plate. That's awesome. We got a fertility idol, a chip clip, a Spider-Man sticker, an Archer clip, which I am just going to start wearing around because that's the shit.
A game.
An X-Men painting. A glow-in-the-dark dragon. Let's just shove that into the light.
A Marvel shirt. Spider-Man specifically.
And a comic book. It's a team-up, too, between Thor and Spider-Man. And it looks like they're fighting the hands of the collector. Yep. All right, well, I'm glad you all came and tuned in to see this hunk of junk unboxing. And I hope you all enjoyed yourselves.
Bye-bye.
See ya.